Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Micron 16GB DDR5 ECC UDIMM server memory module. Specifically, we're looking at the MTC10C1084S1EC48BA1R model. This stick of RAM is designed to bring enhanced stability and speed to your server setup. First off, it's a DDR5 module, which means it's built on the latest memory technology. This translates to faster data transfer rates and improved overall performance compared to older DDR4 modules. The 4,800 MHz speed is a sweet spot, offering a noticeable boost in responsiveness for demanding server applications. The 16 GB capacity is a solid choice for many workloads. It provides ample memory for running virtual machines, handling databases, and managing other memory-intensive tasks. Of course, whether 16 GB is enough depends on your specific needs, but it's a great starting point for many small to medium-sized businesses. One of the key features here is the ECC, or error correcting code. This is crucial for server environments where data integrity is paramount. ECC memory can detect and correct single-bit errors, preventing crashes and ensuring that your data remains accurate and reliable. This is a must-have for any server that handles critical data. The UDIMM form factor means this module is unbuffered, making it suitable for a wide range of server motherboards. It's also important to note the CL40 latency. While lower latency is generally better, the benefits of DDR5 and ECC often outweigh the slightly higher latency in real-world server applications. The module operates at 1.1 V, which is standard for DDR5 and helps to keep power consumption in check. This is important for servers that run 24/7, as it can help to reduce energy costs and minimize heat generation. Overall, the Micron 16GB DDR5 ECC UDIMM is a reliable and high-performance memory module that's well-suited for server environments. The combination of DDR5 speed, ECC error correction, and a reasonable capacity makes it a great choice for upgrading or building a new server. If you're looking for a memory module that can handle demanding workloads and ensure data integrity, this Micron module is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.